Just when you think there is a little sweetness missing in your life, M&Ms come to the rescue. These small, colorful candy-coated niblets melt in your mouth, giving you an explosion of joy and bliss. But there are secrets these M&Ms hold. Some fascinating, some mind-blowing, and some that are totally unpredictable. Sooner or later, your mouth will drool as we figure out how M&Ms are made. Ever wondered what gives M&Ms their delectable taste and vibrant colors? How does a blend of cocoa and sugar transform into those colorful, irresistible candies? The world of candy making is an art and innovation combined together that knows no bounds. With that said, get ready to indulge your sweet tooth and rekindle the inner child in you. But wait, hold your sweet cravings for just a moment while you hit the like button on this video. And to keep your cravings satisfied, don't forget to subscribe so we can deliver our delightful content right to your doorstep. Now, let's jump right in. At the core of this entire process lies the essence of chocolaty bliss. M&Ms are birthed from a specially crafted chocolate blend, consisting of cocoa solids, cocoa butter, and milk solids. This concoction grants them that opulent, creamy taste we all cherish. Now let's talk about the sugar extravaganza. Bursting with sweetness, M&Ms derive their sugary goodness from a blend of granulated sugar and corn syrup. While corn syrup maintains its soft and chewy texture, granulated sugar delivers that delightful sugary kick. Following suit is the iconic candy shell. How could one overlook the candy shell that takes center stage? A fusion of sugar, corn syrup, and food coloring is heated and misted onto the centers. A whirl in a rotating drum gives them that signature gleam. And what about those captivating colors? Ever wondered how M&Ms showcases a vibrant spectrum, from classic red and green to exotic shades like teal and purple? This enchanting palette is achieved through a unique process involving food dyes and a liquid coating. Now, transitioning from the realm of ingredients, let's venture into the intricate world of production at the heart of M&M's creation, the factory floor. Here, every step is a ballet of precision and technological prowess. First in line is the enchanting molding process, the inception of the journey. Liquid chocolate is lovingly poured into petite molds, guaranteeing an even distribution. Once set, the molds open up, revealing the perfectly spherical centers. Given the enormous fan base M&Ms enjoy, it's imperative that quality reigns supreme. M&Ms are all about employing top-tier ingredients. Cocoa sourced from Ghana, the Ivory Coast, and Indonesia undergo meticulous selection, while sugar undergoes rigorous testing to ensure absolute purity. And let's not overlook the relentless work of flavor scientists, perpetually striving to craft new taste sensations. A striking selling point for M&Ms is the impeccable packaging. Following their candy-coated transformation, M&Ms are sorted by color and meticulously packaged in various forms and sizes. Here, robots and machines work in seamless synergy, ensuring both efficiency and precision. Now, something that tantalizes not only youngsters but also adults is the marvelous high-tech wonderland. The factory resonates with the symphony of high-tech marvels. Conveyor belts, sorting machines, and robots work in seamless unison. Sensors are employed to discern the hues, ensuring that colored M&Ms find their perfect spot. Additionally, the conveyor belts, the vital circulatory system of the production line, execute their tasks with excellence. Like bustling highways, they transport the budding M&Ms from one station to the next, in a synchronized rhythm. Then come the sorting machines, which possess a remarkable ability to differentiate between colors. They guarantee that every bag of M&Ms is an artful composition, utilizing advanced algorithms and high-speed mechanisms. In the grand scale of these expansive factories, optimization of efficiency is paramount. Waste is minimized and output is maximized. Heat from the molding process is repurposed, and packaging is designed with minimal material usage. It's a testament to modern engineering marvels and operational efficiency. Once the M&Ms have undergone their meticulous production process, they journey into the eager hands of candy enthusiasts worldwide. The distribution of M&Ms is a well-oiled operation spanning continents. From the state-of-the-art factory, the candies are carefully packaged and sorted before being transported to various distribution centers. Thanks to a well-organized logistics network, M&Ms make their way to a diverse range of retail outlets. This extensive distribution ensures that no matter where you are, a bag of M&Ms is never too far away. From now on, as you savor the unmistakable crunch of that candy shell, remember that you're experiencing a slice of candy-making history, crafted with meticulous care.